Hey, what's up? How are you doing? We are going to do another session of Gaussian Project. Join us, hit the smash button, bang, 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 bang. Okay, guys, today we are going to start energetic. We want to finish this project because we are curious about the rest of the project. This benchmark should be done by today and we are going to finish it. I want to finish it. I'm feeling good because it was supposed to snow a lot here and it didn't happen. So we have no reason to be lazy. We have no reason to not do the work. Oh my god, I want to finish this project. I want to finish this project so much. Let's do it. This project should be seen by every person on the face of planet. This is the project that changed the path of the history. This changed the way we think from now on, the way we feel, the way we share, the way we... we share exactly. You have externality. You're producing externality by sharing information in this world, and you need to know how to do it. So let me take you and show you how to do it, and believe me, after this journey you will be another person that love himself or herself more. I saw, like, we have for you the first best mechanism. Now we are going to tell you what happens if you are truthful but you cannot disobey, and then we have the situation where everybody can disobey or lie, or what happens then, what do we gain as a firm, what do we lose as a platform, how the strategies will change. And now that's not just the results, the intuition. We want to make the paper look good, readable, you understand, you enjoy, your eyes are fucking enjoying. It's like a movie. It's a Martin Scorsese movie that every line has a story behind it. The way you look at these Greek letters makes you want to take 10 integrals in a row, drop a lot of x's, and like stretch S integral with lower bound, upper bound, infinite, indefinite integral, compute Nash equilibriums for yourself for the rest of your life so that you have a stable equilibrium, and it is in a form of repetitive game or static game. Whoo! Proposition 6.9 is where we are telling you how to share your information with somebody that lets you lie to them, but you should follow their action recommendation anyhow. Woo! And then we compare how, what will be your action, how different it is when you are like first best in your first best situation, and you will really enjoy. And we have left some space for intuition. For sure we are going to share with you what are those intuitions, but please don't forget, I just wrote here, let me show you, Control Shift 2 here, look, I'm here, what happened to intuitions here. We will as a team, me, Thibaut, Alessandro, Monzer, we will bring you intuition, but it doesn't mean that it's just you're saying, dude, we could bring you some intuition. Why don't you do it yourself? Why don't you take that pen into your hand and solve another problem? Why don't you solve another problem and submit a paper? If I could do it, you can do it too. Okay, I will. This is the best height. Look at this graph. Look at this fucking graph. It's just amazing. Why don't you draw a graph? Go. Start today. Draw an X, Y axis. Draw a plot. Maybe even go code it on MATLAB Like plot y equals x cube. It's a nice curve. You look at it, you enjoy the curve, and it is like very delicate. We have all these softwares. Why are you sitting at home? Why are you going to the gym? Why are you yeah, go to gym, sit at your home, but also draw a graph. That's what I'm telling you. These are also things in life that you can enjoy. Draw a graph you like, check if it is differentiable, take its integral, compare, tell your friend to draw a graph too, then you can draw graphs next to each other. She will like draw y equals x square, you draw x cube, and you can tell, oh, look at this, my curve goes to infinity faster than you, and he says, fuck off, when you go to negative infinity, I'm always going to positive, you are going to negative, so my curve is better. Let's do it. Don't sit down. Then you can, oh, by the way, you can intersect your graphs together, and like you say between 0 and 1, wow, look, I'm upper than you, then you will pass me. That's it. Where were we last time? We were trying to change the proof, right? Proposition 6.9, changing the solution because I had a mistake. It happens, and it's good now. We found it. We will make more mistakes in the future. It's no problem. And let me see if I have you here. Yes, you are with me. By the way, because I changed my office, let me put myself here, huh? Now it looks like I'm looking at the work. It's more natural. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Wait, one thing is that here it seems like we are converging, and in this point me and my work are the same people, right? But here also, but I will never look at my work. That's the thing, even when we go to infinity. So I think we should stay here. As I said, today it snowed in Boston. MIT was closed, even though the snow was not as we expected. So everybody is taking places in the study rooms, and I chose this desk here. Woo! Well, I need some water. It's so cold. Dude, this one, I told it last time. I don't like it like that, but I won't change it. It is not worth it. We are not going to perfect this project. We are going to finish this project in a good enough. We want it to be good enough. We don't want it to be perfect. We don't want it to be even like more than good enough. I'm honestly, it just takes too much energy, and there is no point in it. whole thing. I will change it to X. Honestly, I don't want to be very picky about it. It's a waste of time. We just want to do something. That is what we want. What did I do? F frac fx. What is the frac? So let's control Z it. This is the frac. It's getting challenging, guys. We have this big frac. In the denominator, we have another frac, right? Where is this frac? Eta x frac omega over 2, that's it, right? This is the second ratio. So frac f, right, we have f open parenthesis x minus 1. Where is minus 1? No. Okay, it's here. So that's it. That's it. Yeah. Yes, we made it, guys. Yes, we made it. Next challenge. 2r minus f. After it, there's an x. We are going to clean it. Then we have minus 2r. It's here. This is the denominator of the frac. I am fine. This is the denominator. Cleaned. And yes, x. That's it. 2r minus f, x minus 2r. Show it to me. Yes! We did it, guys. Yes, we did it. Now it's concave and the rest of the it is linear. Rest of it is linear. It doesn't make sense. Rest of the it, no, it's concave. And the rest of it, or the rest of the objective function, okay, because we have objective function 1, I'm going to decide to remove the, and rest of it is linear. Therefore, the whole objective is concave. So it is obviously referring to the objective. We are good here. Next step. We made it, guys. We made it. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! We introduced non-negative multipliers. Always, always, always. Not one time, twice, 3 times. I'm telling you, if you have an inequality, choose your multipliers, non-negative. If it is a quality, the multipliers can have been real numbers, but if it is non-negative, because you have zero, here, look at this motherfucker, guys. I'm gonna to say x greater than 1. Do we have it here? Did I change? I did not change. I see. I will change it. Do 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 do. Look how I am solving problems one after another. You're welcome, guys. Enjoy reading my fucking paper. Read it in a restaurant, read it in a cafe, read it while you are walking on the street, read it while you are taking your dog out, read it with your dog. Those fucking dogs understand. They are smart. if you have a German Shepherd, Belgian Malinois, print this fucking paper. Print it. Read it on your laptop. Read it. Listen to it on your Speechify. What else? How else do you want to enjoy it? There is 1,000 ways to advance. There is no excuse. You should read this fucking paper. No excuse. And it will revolutionize your world. I'm not joking. It's not a joke. You will get to know Gaussian distribution. You will get to know inequalities, optimization, individual rationality. Deeper than that. The concepts we are bringing into this paper are invaluable, all valuable. I don't know, but they are deep things. You can use them in your everyday life. You can always remember yourself. You are an individual rational person. You make decision for your life. People offer you a stuff, but at the end of the day, it is your choice to accept it or not. So okay. Now I want to change. We want to add the inequality here. Oh, okay. We have it here. All right, guys. And we want to make sure we have it. So proposition 6.8, we have it. This is proposition 6.9. All right. What's happening? Okay, let's change this one. We are doing it. I'm telling you, this looks like a challenging step. Look at this fucking line. We already did. Guys, don't panic. Promise you everything will be fine. Look, we did. Yeah. Fuck it, I won't change this part. I do not believe it looks good to change this part. Fuck it, not a big deal. We can do it. Still it is not a huge deal. And remember, X, we can do that. We can play with this non-unique way of showing our inequalities either by X or sigma I theta I. X is just to make the shape look more clear and better. So first line is nu equals 0. Second, sigma I theta j 0. And that's why maybe just in the maybe just fuck it, even that is not necessary. Fuck, who cares so yeah, Thibaut and I talked about, okay, yeah, it looks better to have it based on the X, or the ratio sigma ai theta I over t sigma theta I squared. That was something we talked about before. Now that I am in the middle of editing, to me it looks better if some cases, for example here when I'm talking about derivative respect to sigma ai theta I, keep the form like that. I feel it will be more confusing if I change it. That's my thing. We solve for the multipliers lambda and nu using the first and fourth equation. Sigma okay, lambda and nu are coming from first and first. Yes, so that still stays the same. Like the only change was this part. Sigma ai omega comes from fifth equation. Guys, I feel I have to stop using it like this. My back started hurting. Time for some incorrect posture. I don't need my keyboard no more. What did I? Okay, drop my cube. Happens. Sometimes it's like the injury that happened to me. We were on the planning to do stuff. You move a stuff and something happens out of our control. And we will fix it. Proved. Now back to my game again. So using fifth equation, I express sigma ai theta as a function of time. Using the third equation, like here, right? I don't like to write sigma ai theta j based on x. I prefer to keep it like, even this is actually what Thibaut wrote. So I feel even he believes some places we prefer sigma ai theta I. So finally, using our expression for sigma ai theta j, we write the second equation solely in terms of the unknown x and the epsilon naught, which is here. We already have it. We also have to change the graphs and plots. Or now that I came here, that I changed all of those x's, it is even fine if I introduce the variable x later, right here, only when we are talking about sigma ai theta I. Up to here, I want to introduce everything based on sigma ai theta I. Now that I am trying to compute sigma ai theta, that's where we really need x, you know? So I may go back and edit it. That's how the game is. That's it. I should, okay. Chose x infinity as this, so we are not interested in solutions in the interval this, if they exist at all. Why? Why? Okay, I get it. I remember what was the point. Um, okay, we want our x star be always greater than or equal to 1, right? So once x infinity here, x infinity is less than 1 or less than 1 over 1 plus f, which is less than 1, our x star, even the solution, even if this equation, degree 3 equation, has solutions in this interval, minus infinity to x and infinity, we don't like them because those solutions are less than 1 while our solution must be greater than 1. Or the left hand side, what is the left hand side? And we will have x1. X star is the solution to this equation. If it is less than 1, we should choose x as 1. If it is less than, to be the difference. S mu omega t mu theta I to t, and we are going to put x here. This inequality is coming from where? It's coming from here, changing x by 1. So when x is 1, we have f squared in the denominator and numerator, and they will cancel out. And if this is greater than f minus 1 and x is 1 again, minus 1/2, which is equal to this h of r, that is something he computed. How is everything, guys? Yeah, I say let's introduce x. Yeah, the proof is complete. Now that I look at it, it looks to me, it seems it's better to keep x after where we computed everything based on sigma ai theta I, and now we just want to compute sigma ai theta I, and we change to x. So let me steal this line. And I want to put it where? I want to put it here. You may ask, Amir, why didn't you do it from the beginning? What did I do? Oh, okay. And I should tell you guys, it's okay. From the beginning, you don't know everything. You change it, you see how the change look like, and then you may decide, okay, I can make it even better, or it doesn't make sense now. And yeah, we didn't see these big equations from the beginning, and we couldn't imagine how it looked like. And we said now it is more incongruent. Up to a point, we have sigma ai theta I, and then we have x. By the way, I prefer to keep wherever I wrote x as sigma ai theta I over t sigma theta I squared, because um, oh no, because it the like change is more understandable, easier to read for the reader. So it's not huge, by the way. That's it. I also copy this, Control C. Yeah, it may not look very good, right? What if we remove the frac, put this, and then division? Guys, this is just, there is one fact. The whole equations, they're not super clean, right? Okay, this looks better. And we are trying our best to keep it good looking, but okay, we should also accept the fact that we are dealing with big equation. It is not e to the ip plus 1 equals 0. It is not the most beautiful mathematical equation, but still you can make it look good. Changes to, so here I have to add the term that I have here. Oh, end cases and less than equal. That's it. But oh, seems we cannot have an empty line. Why can't I? Isn't it funny? Okay. Okay, we have it here now, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We are meeting the goals. Ah, fuck. It was not here. We should have put it here. No problem. No problemo. We are going to fix it right now. Tap, tap, tap. Control V. Oh no. Wait, why is it like this? I don't get it. Oh, this is just because we have this here, like this. Otherwise, Who could have thought that, to be honest? Well, by experience, you get smarter. Okay, we did this part too. Now we want to change this equation back to what it was. Now, okay, again, this time we are more confident, right? We have done this so many times. It's so easy for us to find the fraction. Oh, my battery is going low. Please stay around. And this neighborhood is no good. Oh my god, what should I do? No, guys. Wait, it's still recording? I didn't know how much of it was recording. Anyways, I will stop it now. Or we can continue. Yeah, let's be positive and continue, and then they thought why is it so far from here? Wow, what happened? What is this? I don't know. Hopefully let me Control Shift 1. They thought they can like stop us with electricity. I have energy. I have enough energy to run this laptop, to run that phone, to run this phone, to run this mouse, to run your mouse, to run your water bottle, water do by myself. How can I translate Mehrotiran now? Shine from myself if I'm surrounded by darkness, whatever, something like that. نور میدم از وجودم دور و برم اگه تیر است. Because brighter than the sun is the fire in my heart, something like that. چون نور میدم از وجودم دور و برم اگه تیر است. چون روشن‌تر از آفتاب آتیش تو سینه است. دردن. Anyways, now we have guys. Let's go finish this project like it is just at this moment the project wants to be finished more than I want to. It just project. Last night it came to my dream and it was like, please Amir, finish me. Eta sigma a minus frag din dun dang f. Okay, we are master at this game, guys. Fx, I wanna say Control B. No, not that. Control Z. That's what I wanna do. AI. No backslash for A. Look at my sharp eyes, got the mistake right away. State I, we have no time for stupid mistake. And now slash. Wait, how do I write this shit? By the way, we didn't change the X here, which we want to do. Is it okay? Actually, I don't know. Let's see how Thibaut did it before. Yeah, I don't think it's okay to write it like that. Well, Thibaut made it here. He made it like a x minus 1. Yeah, even here, like from the beginning I had problem with this one. It's just so weird. Um, I don't like this one. I will change it anyhow. Um, have we ever had the term before? Yeah, I wrote it here like this, but I don't know if it is really. Yeah, it is actually incorrect. It is incorrect. Mm-hmm. Yeah, from mathematical point of view, this is incorrect. Why? Because it means multiplication, not division by. Why is it already open? I don't like this. Okay, 3/4. Yeah, A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, A over BC should be 1/6. I say it's 1/6. Yeah, it is 1 over. Oh, it should not be 1/6. I don't like. Actually, I believe it is 3/2. Shouldn't it? Yeah. Okay. By the way, remember that ChatGPT is not.
Apologies for the oversight. Let's correct that. ABC equals 12 times 3 equals 16 backslash frac of BC equals backslash frac 1 2 backslash times 3 equals backslash. I see, you're right.
So-
Apologies for the misunderstanding. When you express ABC backslash frac of BC as ab times C backslash frac of B backslash times B times C, then
Oh.
ABC equals 12 times 3 equals 1 times 32 equals 32
Okay,
backslash
fuck
frac of BC
ChatGPT,
equals
fuck
backslash
ChatGPT.
frac 1 2 backslash times 3 equals backslash frac 1 backslash times 3 2 equals backslash frac 3 2 equals 21 times 3 equals 21 times 3 equals 23. So ABC equals 32 backslash frac of BC equals backslash frac 3 2 equals.
Fuck off. Is it me started this or Chibo started this? Okay, let's email him. Oh, you are not with me. All right. Doesn't matter. It was not huge. Anyway, we will yeah, the height is not good. Why it's not good? Should I take it a bit further? Now it's better. All right. Okay, I send my email. Check about something. It's just a high school problem. It's not a. Really, it's just a high school problem. I, however, believe Control Shift. Interesting. It didn't snow, and they're again putting these salts on the ground. Control Shift 1. Control Shift 2 because I want you to join me. Okay. What are we doing here? Oh, yeah, checking if we have the similar term based on this ratio. It doesn't sound like this. These are all just notation and stuff. Well, this is not. It is a basic high school problem. I just forgot what is the rule. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Happens. Yeah, this one, I guess this is not me. This is Thibaut. Who knows? Maybe I did it first or he did it first. I don't remember. Okay. I forgot. What were we doing? Yes. This is the change we want to make. And we were thinking if sigma ai theta I fuck it, I will write it as the fraction, and if it is not the fraction, I mean if the other form is still correct, we can change it later. honestly how much time we are spending, but this is what it is. Don't get upset. You may say, I may say, oh, we got back and we are doing the same thing again. To be honest, we are making progress. These questions wouldn't rise if we were not. Yeah, let's keep it like that. We can change it again later if needed. And this is another one. Eta equals minus. This was the term. Let's go. We made it, guys. We made it. Even in worst case, we have to change it. The change will be so easy. We are making progress, guys. We are making progress. Let's go. That's it. Well, in ChatGPT it's a bit different. Well, okay. One thing, I feel now it's just my mistake. Look at what Tibo wrote, right? He put the T sigma theta I, the whole thing in the parentheses. So and I believe he was right. But I don't remember who wrote these ones. And it makes me doubt. Let's keep it like this for now. If we need to change, we come back. We will make the change. No worries.